How you doing?
All right.
Could I get the Monarch burger?
Okay.
I believe it's is it 1/4?
The quarter pound?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the mini burger, I think it's $5.
Okay.
And then let me get the a salad. The chicken. It's the first one on the menu on the website. The chicken.
It's either the chop.
The chicken chop salad. Yeah.
Would you like to add chicken?
Do people normally add chicken on that? Or?
It's either way.
Oh, yeah, I don't need no chicken then. Yeah.
Anything else?
Y'all got fries? Okay, that'll be all. Y'all take cash or just card?
Either way.
Okay.
So mini Monarch, mini and chop goes $25.58.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm from
you good. It was just that how you holding the phone. I'm just I'm like,
yeah.
Okay.
I got a media thing here,
Okay.
Kansas City.
I got you.
People know me. So I just come down. I seen you on the website. I'm like, let me come check this place out and support this business down here. I seen you was part of the Black Restaurant Week.
Yep.
So I came on down. Plus I got followers. They'll come down too. So I'm just coming down, showing some love. All right.
Give me, oh, sorry about that.
Oh, sorry.
Give me like 10 minutes so I have it ready for you.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. All right, y'all. We down here at the Chicken Kansas City, and chicken.com. This is what it looks like outside, and I just made my order. So it's pretty cool. There's people over there playing basketball. All right, y'all, I'm finishing up down here at the chicken. I got all my stuff. I'm about to try it out. Let's check it out. This is pretty good, y'all. It's pretty good. Tastes healthy. Yep, this was pretty good. All right, y'all. Chicken spot right behind me. You come down here and get your chicken burgers at the chicken.com. All right, y'all. It was pretty good. The food was pretty good. I'm gonna give it a B, and that's because it's no place like inside, so you got to get your food and go. It's a to-go place. All right, y'all. I'm out of here.